Hello guys, welcome back to Viking RCC. I'm your host Viking. Today we're going to be looking at a slash 4x4 with the VXL. What we're going to be doing today is diagnosis. This vehicle belongs to one of my best friends, and what we got going on right now is what I call stuck wheels. See, and we're going to diagnose this problem today. This video is going to be a diagnosis only. The next video I do on this will be the installation of whatever I find to be wrong with it. So we're going to start by removing the rear end. Okay, see, so these wheels will turn. That's a good sign. That tells me that more than likely the issue that we're having here is it's going to be with our slipper clutch gear. Hopefully, our slipper clutch. Because these wheels will turn, that tells me that our pinion gears and everything back here in this rear end should be okay, because it's spinning freely and I don't feel nothing grinding or anything. So we're going to start by removing these 4 screws here. There's going to be 2 here, and then you're going to have 2 on the bottom of the chassis that we'll remove, and then this whole rear end theoretically should slide out. A good thing to have, guys, when you're doing these builds like this and tearing these cars down, there's a little box right here. You'll see I have labeled right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Current build parts. I'll have 2 or 3 trucks sitting around here at one time, and I may be doing something on each one of them. So it's a good thing to, have a box for the build that you're working on, and keep your fasteners in that box. Alright, there's the 2 from the top. Flip this bad boy over and get to these bottom ones here. All right, got the last screw out. We're going to flip it back over and see if we can just pull this right on out. All right. She came loose pretty good, pretty easily there. I could see a little damage down here. Looks like we got some heat action going on. It seems to be melted a little bit. We'll just set this down out of the way here. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and your slipper clutch see if you can see this. It'll be right here, and this should just slide right on out. If you need to get a screwdriver and pry on it a little bit, if you have to pry on it too hard, then don't force it, because it's binding up with this pinion gear in here on the motor possibly. So you don't want to force anything on these things. All right, our slipper clutch came right out, and right away I can see that this thing is shot. The teeth are melted completely down on it. Let's see if you can see that. No teeth. Let me get the new one and I'll show you what this should look like. All right, we've got the new slipper clutch gear. That's what you should be seeing. You should be seeing those teeth on there. All right. So what we have so far is we have strip slipper gear, and basically what we're going to do is we're just going to replace this stripper gear, and then we'll put it back together. But for now, this video is on just a diagnosis, and I believe we found the problem. The issue is a stripped slipper gear. Everybody, thank you for watching. Tune into the next video for the install of the new slipper gear.